Hello and welcome to this video on cranking and polyline choices on through sections in Jira version 1.5.7. So this update includes edits that you can perform on through sections within Jira. So if we look at our through section for this weir, these points here all come out. They're the right bank, the left bank. We've got our hard bed data through the weir and our water levels through the weir, and we can see all of this in this through section here. But what has been updated is all these options that we can tick and untick, and also the way that this is now displayed with cranking lines. So the cranking lines, they don't overlap anymore as they once used to. So we don't have to tediously edit those so that they, in CAD, so that they don't overlap and they look fully presentable straight away. If we go through this functionality then, if we look at our rendered polylines, we've got our hard bed, soft bed, water level, left and right bank. So we can, if for any reason we don't want the left bank or the right bank in there, we just click on those buttons and that will toggle those off or back on, and these cranking lines will also appear and disappear as you turn these off and on. So it's just as simple as that. We can look at the scale, so we can the scale 200, or if you want it a little bit longer, to 50, and this will all just update automatically. It's just whatever you want to display to the client or on the cross-sectional drawing, you can do so. We can invert if we really wanted to. So the important thing here is when you're within this through section box, what we can do is save the selection, so that when we export our cross sections right at the end of the job, it will save what options we've ticked or unticked here, or the scaling factors, any options that we've used here. If we do just want to export it straight away, you can do with this export to DXF here, but normally what we would do is, when you're in the cross section, go into structures, import and export, and tick this through section here. So when you go to export your instructions at the end of the job, they'll come out, and obviously this is just one section here, but the through section will then be exported next to a cross section with your selections that we selected here, which is hard bed and water levels, all the cranking lines done for you, and all displayed properly.